Today, we review the best camera cleaning kits that you can choose the right one for your purpose. After spending 2 weeks of research and consumer survey, we compiled this list.
Number 1.
Altura Photo Professional Cleaning Kit. The professional camera cleaning kit from Altura contains pretty much everything most camera users need to get a solid cleaning job done. Besides the alcohol-free solution, there are lots of goodies included such as a lens cleaning pen, a lens brush, and an air blower cleaner among others. The price is one of the best you can find considering the overall value of each individual item. The first kit component that you will probably notice is the cleaning solution, which comes in a very ergonomic bottle, and it's easy to use and clean all of your sensitive lenses. The solution doesn't contain alcohol, ammonia, and a big plus is also the fact that it's completely odor-free. It cleans without leaving any residue, and it's able to dissipate static without relying on harmful detergents.
Number 2.
Camikx Professional Camera Cleaning Kit. One of the most appreciated sets out there, the Camikx cleaning set is a very comprehensive kit for taking care of a dirty DSLR camera. It provides a solid variety of handy tools to ensure that the camera is always spotless and functions correctly. The low price seems very attractive for what it offers, and this is perhaps the primary reason why this one is recommended. Cleaning a DSLR is not an easy job, and this cleaning kit should make the process much more comfortable even for those unfamiliar with the way you have to care for a camera. It has an air blower to eliminate the dust and dirt that inevitably accumulate on the lenses and the camera sensor. Thanks to a powerful stream of air, you will get cleaner components in no time.
Number 3.
Altura Photo Professional Cleaning Kit. Altura is specialized in the manufacturing of cleaning kits for cameras and sensors. This kit is destined for those who wish to take better care of the sensors of their cameras. It includes lots of handy tools, but the main highlight is the pack of 6 cleaning swabs that are designed specifically to remove the dirt from APS-C sensors. In terms of cost, it's understandable to see a higher price tag for this kit, but it can be worth the investment if you want a more professional grade cleaning solution.
Number 4.
Uesa APS-C Frame Camera Sensor. Cleaning the sensor of any DSLR camera is an important job if you want to keep your equipment in excellent condition. With the help of a good cleaning kit that's intended precisely for that purpose, this job can be dealt with more efficiently. A nice example is this camera sensor cleaning kit by Uesa, which at a first impression looks like it's totally worth the money. Damaging the sensor is one of the primary worries for any camera owner who decides to clean their DSLR. You have to use a special swab that's compatible with your camera's sensors. In this kit, you will find 12 cleaning swabs that have a width of 16 mm and should be compatible with basically all APS-C frame sensors. The head of the swab is very soft, and each comes in a vacuumed package to guarantee that you don't introduce more dust into your important camera components.
Number 5.
Tycka Professional Camera Cleaning Kit. Doing a solid cleaning job is only possible if you purchase a more professional camera cleaning kit. The Tycka TK005 is one of the best options on the market, and there are many reasons for that. It contains everything you could possibly need, including a waterproof protective carrying case, sensor cleaning swabs, and a very strong air blower. The cleaner solution is made using good ingredients, without alcohol that could be damaging. You've got 30 milliliters of cleaning liquid which safely removes oil, dust, and fingerprints from the lenses and sensors. The air blower is really impressive for the cost. It's designed with a uni-body nozzle to prevent it from falling off when blowing a strong stream of air. It does a nice cleaning job removing the dust from the delicate camera components.
No, it's not enough.